Hello friend, I am Reshma. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we learn basic English grammar, that is how to use capital letters. Let us see use of capital letters. In English, we do not use capital letters very much. It is not usual to write whole sentences in capitals. A sentence or paragraph written in capitals is very difficult to read. Did you ever see a book written in capital letters? Of course not. We cannot easily read lots of text in capital letters. You must always use a capital letters for first one. Use a capital letter to begin a sentence. For examples, my sister enjoys playing football. Disha has beautiful long hair. Next, she sells seashells on the seashore. Second, use a capital letter for the personal pronoun I and the word God always. For examples, you, he and I are good friends. We all should pray to God. I am an Indian. Next, use a capital letter for the names of days of the week, months of the year. For examples, come to study on Monday. We go to the church every Sunday. Come home in April. She goes to town in May. Next, use a capital letter for the names of festivals and holidays. For examples, Diwali is the festival of lights. Holi is the festival of colors. Republic Day is our national festival. Next, use a capital letter for countries, languages, nationalities and religions. For examples, Australia is a land of many animals. Among the major languages of India are Hindi, Gujarati and Tamil. French, Indian, Spanish are nationalities. Hinduism, Christianity, Buddhism are religions. Next, use a capital letter for people's names and titles. For example, the President of the United States. Ram, William Shakespeare, people's name. The headmaster of LA University. Professor Sau, Dr. Kulkarni are names of people. Next, use a capital letter for trademarks and name of companies and other organizations. For examples, Pepsi Cola, Walkman, Microsoft Corporation, Toyota, the United Nations, the Red Cross. Next, use a capital letter for places and monuments. For examples, London, Paris, the Eiffel Tower, Buckingham Palace, the White House, Taj Mahal, Agra. Next, use a capital letter for names of vehicles like ships, trains and spacecraft. For examples, the Titanic, the Rajdhani Express, the Chandrayaan. Next, use a capital letter for names of books, newspapers. For examples, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Times of India, the Indian Express. Next, use a capital letters for many abbreviations. For example, BBC, TV, USA, GMT. Next, use a capital letter for names of cities, towns and villages. Examples: I am from Delhi. My sister lives in Borivali. Next, use the capital letters for names of regions, districts and states. For examples, Nashik city comes in the district of Maharashtra. Next, use the capital letters for names of continents and countries. For example, Asia has many scuba diving sites. My brother bought the finest olive oil from Italy. Australia is a land of many animals. Next, use the capital letters for names of streets, buildings and parks. For examples, Pali Hill, Central Park, the Empire State Building. So in this way, in this video, we learn how to use of capital letters. So I hope you guys like this video. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also like, comment and share and press bell icon to get new notifications. Thank you for watching and we will meet again with next video.